I will shoot down the helicopter. I swear by Allah that I will shoot down the helicopter. Whoever is commanding them should be warned that I will shoot the helicopter down. Enough is enough. That Tinubu will hand over River State into slavery. The Wike is nobody. Without this manipulator of it, it's nobody.
A lot of things they happen for this River State local government election today. As I dey follow and they talk, Nigerian military don't invade Asari Dokubo's house. According to wetin they talk for this video, in the talk say they have sent military helicopter to his house to surround him, but he got shot the helicopter down. And in the talk say Wike, say na he send them, say he go deal with Wike. In fact, he say he go capture Wike alive. No be say Wike that Abuja, they do like say he be minister, he be God. In fact, make I not talk too much. But this Wike self, I don't know what be this man problem. Since this man lost PDP primary presidential election, now so we dey get problem everywhere. We never rest because of this Wike. Allow River State people to decide for themselves. When I say no, APC want to catch everybody. Listen to what Asari Dokubo they talk. For just common local government election, 9 federal government of Nigeria, they flex muzzle over state government.
Our people, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. As we are talking,
with the video, with the video. As I said in the video, that's the video.
Wike's soldiers, Wike's police, whoever, had been flying over my house and my compound in the last 30 minutes with 2 helicopter gunships. I have the capacity to contain them. Nigeria cannot surrender to Wike. Rivers people will not surrender to Wike. Ijaw people will not surrender to Wike. I have the capacity to contain them. And the government knows that I have the capacity to contain them. As I've been containing other people. Let them tell Wike to back off. I am 60 years old. I've never been afraid of death. I've always embraced death. I'd always embraced death. So I am not afraid of death. So all those who are there, when the helicopter is shot down, let nobody blame them. I didn't go and look for the helicopter to shoot them down. I will shoot down the helicopter. I will shoot down the helicopter. I swear by Allah that I will shoot down the helicopter. Whoever is commanding them should be warned that I will shoot the helicopter down. Enough is enough. That Tinubu will hand over River State into slavery. The Wike is nobody. Without this manipulator of it, it's nobody. Wike is nobody. Let them remove this thing from him now. I think he has billions. He knows the market. He has bought guns for his men. Let them remove this thing from him. And let us see. Go and vote. I will go and vote. I will vote and you see me vote. Nothing will happen. We vote. Result will be announced. Chairman will be sworn in. And we will see. Chairman will be sworn in. And we will see. I don't want to talk too much. We'll not talk too much. There's a military formation in this community. We did not look for their trouble. Your father Madu is a Mungu. You cowardly Igbos. Do you think I'm like you people? You will see the capacity working. They will do until we go and catch Wike with our hands. And then you see our capacity. With the soldiers, we go and catch him with our hands.